Alrighty, this is about the biggest hedge apple I've ever seen or cut. And this piece is a monster. Wood is pretty. And it'll be pretty neat. It'll be fun. I'll see if I can get a video of it on the sawmill. Got a really nice crotch section there. See if maybe get a couple slabs out of it too. So it's a lot of work. Let's get her done. All right, this is the load I got today. Ended up with Hedgeapple. It was a really nice Hedgeapple. And I got some walnut and some cedar in there. And really interested in getting this Hedgeapple up on there. I've cut some before, but I haven't cut any this big. So it's a pretty good load, and we'll get her on the mill and get her cut up. And Rusty's gonna show us how to do it. I'm Rusty. All right, we got this funky limb off that big Hedgeapple, and it's kind of wild shaped, and I don't know exactly what I'm gonna get out of it, but I'm gonna get something out of it, or I'm gonna give her hell doing it. So we'll see what we can get out of her. Oh, Rusty, that a good looking dog? Rusty, come up here and look at this dog. See if that's a good dog. Come on, get up there. Is that a good looking log? Huh? Tell everybody that's a good looking log. All right. So I just buzzed through that log real quick. Well, not real quick. Stuff's hard, but got through it. These are the boards I'm going to be getting out of it. And they're about 1.5 inches thick. So it's looking pretty cool. Looking pretty good. I'm excited to get the big logs on here. This is just a branch off one of the trees. That's how big this thing was. So we'll get the good ones over there, get up on the mill next, and get some good boards out of them. Just to show you, the dog thinks he's a chameleon. He's going to try to turn yellow instead of orange. I don't think it's going to work. Oh, don't mind my neighbor here. He's exercising his Second Amendment right to shoot his firearms, so good for him. Oh, Rusty. Alrighty, we're getting set up on this Hedgeapple here. This is a 20-inch. This is the largest Hedgeapple that I've cut. And should be a really, really nice log. So let's open this thing up, see what's in there. And that stuff's hard. That's the hardest wood that mill's ever going to see right there. That's nice stuff. Yeah, Rusty dog. What do you think of that, huh, buddy? That's something you don't hardly ever see right there. You don't see that wood, and you do not see it that big. Cut some maple out of a neighbor's farm. And as I cut with him, I looked over and I go, man, is that Hedgeapple? It's like, no way. And sure as hell. So we had to get them. All right, let's flip this thing over and finish cutting her up. Notice the butt of the log is split part way up, but I notched the tree. Apparently for Hedgeapple, I didn't notch it deep enough. And the grain is so straight, when the tree fell, it split. I lost a quarter of the log. I couldn't believe it when it did it. I'm really disappointed in myself on that one. Now we're starting to get in the crotch. Man, I wish it wouldn't have split. right, well, I'm gonna cut this down a little bit more. I think I'm gonna slab the bottom of it, and I'll show you the rest when it's done. All right, nope. This is the last part of that big log, 20-inch. And bottom two slabs there are 2 inches thick. So it's probably been in the Connex for a couple of years drying. The rest of the board 1 3/8. So they should be good after about a year. And then I'll have to figure out what I'm gonna make with them, or if anybody's interested in buying some Hedgeapple. You do not find this anywhere like this. I guarantee you that. So it was fun cutting it up, and I got about 3 more of these to cut up, so I better get her done.